Despite the downtrend phase in crypto, a coin called Zigcoin has been going parabolic in the past few days. If you are in the cryptocurrency space, you must have figured out Zigcoin because Zigcoin has been the crypto we need. At the moment, the coin is one of the hottest crypto as it is trending at the number 2 spot on CoinMarketCap. In this video, we will be discussing everything about Zigcoin, whether it is a good cryptocurrency to invest in, and the reasons for that. But before getting into the discussion, I'm Nee, a crypto enthusiast and investor. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say about coins I talk about are from my researches and opinions. So when investing in any coin I recommend, kindly do a little more research to be on the safer side and do not forget to invest wisely. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. At the moment, Zigcoin is trading at 1 cent with a market capitalization of $4 million, a fully diluted market capitalization of about $20 million, and a 24-hour trading volume of roughly $5 million. At this price point, Zigcoin is a very risky crypto because it doesn't have many investors in it and it is very volatile. Looking at the details on CoinMarketCap, you will be able to tell that this coin can be easily manipulated. If you want safe cryptos to buy, cryptos that will ease your mind, then you have to stay off this Zig crypto because it's very volatile, which makes it unsafe to buy. But nevertheless, this crypto can give you a fortune when it blows up because it is very cheap as we speak. The coin is just at $4 million in market capitalization. A lot can happen with this project. Zigcoin is a great investment, but I will advise you to buy but with what you can afford to lose. Before ending this video, I would like to discuss more on Zigcoin for us to know the full details about Zigcoin before buying. Over the past 11 years, cryptocurrency, spearheaded by Bitcoin, has seen some astute highs and lows when it comes to the overall value generated, represented by market capitalization. However, it has taken almost a decade for the value of the inherent design of blockchain and its one of many byproducts, cryptocurrency, to begin being seen as an asset to the everyday investor. However, unlike other types of assets, stocks, bonds, funds, ETFs, etc., that an individual can invest in, cryptocurrencies are inherently different by design. An asset is typically defined by the order of owning anything that produces value and that is held within an economic entity, all while being able to produce positive economic value. Cryptocurrency within this produces value as it represents a stored value. This stored value can then be transacted with collateral of the most recent stored value. This produces a positive economic value for the parties involved in the transaction, including the economic entity within which the transaction occurred. At first, it may look like this scenario is the same as a transaction conducted by any other asset class, but this is not the case. Within all blockchain-based cryptocurrencies, the asset under consideration is not issued by a third, it is actually issued by the network itself. This network is operated and governed by mathematical models that were used to design the system. Now, due to this inherent innovation, and unlike a traditional asset, a cryptocurrency transaction does not require a third party to facilitate and complete the transaction. The same network design comes into play here, allowing the facilitation of the transaction to be conducted in a trustless manner by the network itself. For the first time ever, an asset could be created, bought, sold, transacted with and sent all without the need of a third party. Cryptocurrency in a sense is not held by any one economic entity but by the entire internet itself. It was this understanding that took cryptocurrency from just being considered a means of payment to an entirely new asset class. It wasn't just a replacement for the dollar in terms of conducting financial transactions, but a stored value replacement of the dollar where the value of the said cryptocurrency goes up over time, not down. 11 years since the advent of Bitcoin, the market is now seeing institutional changes to the attitude towards cryptocurrencies, which are inherently increasing its penetration and subsequent adoption to the masses. The masses in question here are those individuals that don't need to dive into the semantics of how a technology works, but still use it on a regular basis because it makes sense to do so, like the internet. They are the individuals who are risk-averse when it comes to investing and only trust traditional ways of doing business. This by virtue constitutes in excess of 99% of the population of the entire world. It is this penetration into the market that Zigcoin wants to spearhead when it comes to making it simple for an average everyday investor to get calculated exposure to the new asset class coined as cryptocurrency. The emergence of blockchain technology over the past 10 years has allowed the entrance of another type of asset class into the market. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have paved the adoption of blockchain technology into many industries. Cryptocurrencies have begun to be considered as a new type of asset which investors are including within their portfolio of investments. However, as an asset, cryptocurrency is a lot more difficult to understand for the investor than compared to the traditional asset classes as mentioned above. This evidently increases the barrier to entry of cryptocurrency as an investment within the portfolio strategy of an investor. Currently, cryptocurrencies are not considered within the globally accepted investment basket for the masses. Change is coming, but it is slow as both retail and institutional investing has only really just started to ramp up. Alternative investments are at times not accessible for people looking for reliable avenues of investing outside of conventional financial institutions. The minimum investment threshold and high management fees prohibit the entry of new money into the market, as retail investors in emerging markets have even fewer options, thus increasing the number of barriers to entry. Along with this, talented traders are not able to democratize their skill set or monetize their strategies beyond their available cash on hand. Furthermore, the challenges of new money entering the market make exchanges unable to target a demographic outside of their current user base. Zigcoin, with a vision of financial freedom being available to everyone and becoming the industry-leading social investment platform, aims to solve these issues on hand. Kindly subscribe if you want more of these crypto videos coming your way. This will be the end of the video. Don't forget like, share, subscribe, and invest wisely. Thanks.